Hey loves, welcome to another video in my corner. Today we are doing an everyday quick beat and I am so excited to share this video. I don't wear makeup a lot, but when I do, this is kind of like my standard face. So I start with the Milk Primer. I use the Hydro Primer and I've been using it for a couple months. I love how it leaves my face just like the right amount of sticky to set my foundation and the rest of my makeup, and I'm really enjoying this primer. It's definitely one that I've been using frequently right now. After primer, I'm using the Ordinary foundation. I use the 3.1Y foundation, and it is a perfect color. The Ordinary has so many different shades that I think every woman can definitely find her shade. It's super lightweight, as you can see how it came out on my hand. So I would definitely say that this is a very light, natural to medium coverage. If I did maybe 2 layers of foundation, I would have a nice medium coverage. But for every day, this is a perfect foundation for women who like lightweight makeup. And as you see, as I'm going in with, well, not even my second, this is still my first layer on my face. I spilled some, but it's a perfect foundation and it kind of sets in my skin like amazingly as the foundation starts to oxidize on my skin. Next up, we're using the NARS Radiant Creamy Foundation stick, concealer sticks. I use Caramel as kind of like my spot corrector and Praline as a highlight color. And on my everyday routine, I use a mixture of both to kind of give me a quick pop. I put Caramel all under my eyes and then I just put in dots of the Praline kind of in between, just to provide that kind of like natural highlight that I want in this kind of light full face. So I'm just going to blend that in with a damp beauty blender, and you can see how I've kind of like mixed the colors. It provides just the right amount of highlight to kind of, you know, set your face off right, but you're not looking too bare with it not being like a full face look. And I'm just gonna keep blending this concealer out. I've been always pretty good at my makeup, but I've been just blending so much more and a lot longer to make sure everything is seamless. And these faces have been coming out popping. So blend, 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 blend. Please blend. Next, I am going to use the NYX Mineral Finishing Powder. I love this powder because it's super lightweight and I can just dust it over my concealer and foundation, and it provides like an all-day wear for me. Like I don't really have to go back with this powder, and oil really doesn't come through that bad. Next, I'm going to bronze my skin with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I'm in the color Mahogany, and I feel like Mahogany is perfect for my skin tone because it gives me like just the right amount of like bronzy warmth I want on my face to give me that little zhuzh, you know, like I'm contoured. So lastly, for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. And in my everyday makeup look, I do not use like a pomade or a pencil for my brows. I get them threaded maybe every 2-3 weeks, so I just use eyebrow gel. Next, I'm going to use the Sephora Felt Tip liquid liner and give myself a little wing. I am not the bomb at the wings. I'm really like a broke arm wing. So if you guys have any good wing eyeliner tutorials, please drop them down in the comments below because I would really appreciate it. But this little wing I can do up on the side gives me the right amount of kind of like cute, sexy I like in my everyday look because it looks like I really tried. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the Milani Black Mascara. I got this mascara from Target. And then I'm going to, you hear Deucey helping me out with this one, go in with the Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. And that is my everyday look. It's super cute. I really like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you again in my corner.